Hi, welcome to my channel, the daily dose of facts about China with Anne. My name is Anne. Today we're going to talk about a very traditional and famous food in China called Chinese Spring Pancakes. It is a thin, soft tortilla type of flat bread, wrapping a variety of Chinese stir-fried meat, vegetables, eggs, basically whatever you want. In Chinese, spring pancake is called 春饼, 春 spring, 饼 crepe, 春饼 spring pancakes. Okay, let's get started. The first step is sauce. Sauce is very important because it has a base flavor, so depending on your taste, you can choose the types of sauce that you would like to add. On the plate, we have traditional Chinese bean paste, we have chili sauce and basil. And then I will go with vegetable and the transparent noodle in the middle. Instead of transparent noodle, you could also use shredded potatoes. It tastes also very good. After you put them evenly on the surface, next one we choose the protein. I will add pieces of omelette. For the chicken, although I stir fry them first, and then I put them into the air fryer, which makes it really crispy outside and juicy inside. Although they're diced, but I would recommend to handily pull them into pieces. Lastly, we add a few shredded cucumbers and onions on the top to give it a very fresh taste. Time to wrap it up. There's no certain rules of rolling it up, but if it's too loose, the fillings may fall while you're eating it, so I would recommend you to roll it tightly. Here we go. From the first bite, my mouth started to be filled with a bunch of good flavors. Starting with the chicken flavors combined with the fresh of vegetables and the softness of the egg. And the flatbread is to balance the mix of flavors to make it really delicious. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to expect more interesting videos coming up.